Croeso i'r adran addysg gorfforol yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy ac yn bennaf i'r cwrs TGAU. Asesir y cwrs yma dros 2 uned. Ffocws uned 1 yw ar cyflwyniad i addysg gorfforol. Asesir yn uned hon drwy arholiad ysgrifenedig ac am 2 awr. Mae'r uned yma yn werth 50% o'r cymhwyster. Ffocws uned 2 yw ar y cyfranogwr gweithredol mewn addysg gorfforol. Does na ddim arholiad, ond mae yna ddiwrnod cymedroli ym mlwyddyn ar 10 o gwmpas mis Chwefror. Mae'r uned hon yn werth 50% o'r cymhwyster. Asesu dysgwyr mewn 3 gweithgaredd gwahanol yn rôl perfformiwr mewn o leiaf 1 gamp ar gyfer unigolyn, 1 gamp ar gyfer tîm ac 1 arall. Bydd 1 gweithgaredd yn brif weithgaredd fydd ar rhaglen ffitrwydd bersonol yn gysylltiedig â'r gweithgaredd. Yn ystod gwersi theori, mi fyddwn ni'n ffocysu ar y testunau canlynol. Iechyd, ymarfer ac ymarfer corff, ffisioleg, ymarfer corff, dadansoddi, symud, seicoleg chwaraeon a gweithgaredd corfforol, materion diwylliannol gymdeithasol mewn chwaraeon a gweithgaredd corfforol. A fama mae gennym ni rhestr o'r gweithgareddau y mae CBAC yn asesu yn uned 2. Ar y golofn, yr ochr chwith, mae'r gweithgareddau ar gyfer tîm. Yn y golofn yn y canol, mae'r gweithgareddau tîm neu weithgareddau unigolyn. Ac yn y golofn ochr dde, mae gen i gweithgareddau ar gyfer unigolyn. Yn anffodus, does ddim posib adio i'r rhestr yma. A dyma i orffen yw sut mae'r rhaglen yn rhedeg yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Mae'n gwersi theori ym mlwyddyn 10 mi fyddwn ni'n ffocysu ar iechyd, ffitrwydd a lles, deall a chydrannau ffitrwydd, y systemau egni a'r system cardio-resbiratol. Mae'n gwersi ymarferol ym mlwyddyn 10, mi fyddwn ni'n gwneud trawsglad ym mis Medi, cylched ym mis Ionawr, a rownderi yn Ebrill. Mae'n gwersi theori ym mlwyddyn ar 10, mi fyddwn ni'n ffocysu ar dulliau ymarfer, egwyddorion ymarfer, cyfranogiad mewn chwaraeon, symudiad a thechnoleg a chyffeiliad sgil. Mae'n gwersi ymarferol ym mlwyddyn ar 10, mi fyddwn ni'n gwneud achub bywyd yn y pwll nofio ym mis Medi. Ac wedi dolyg, byddwn ni yn paratoi ar gyfer yr arholiad a'r diwrnod cymedroli sydd yn digwydd o gwmpas mis Chwefror. I helpu gyda asesiad, disgwylir i bob ymgeisydd gynrychioli'r ysgol mewn nifer o'r weithgareddau. Welcome to Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy Physical Education Department and the GCSE course. The GCSE P course consists of 2 units. Unit 1 focuses on the introduction to physical education. This is a theory unit and is assessed via a written examination which lasts for 2 hours. This unit is worth 50% of the whole qualification. Learners will be assessed through a range of short and extended questions. The questions will be based on audio, visual stimuli and other sources. Unit 2 focuses upon the active participant in physical education. This is a practical unit. It is a non-examined assessment. Candidates are assessed via a moderation day during Year 11 in February. This unit is worth 50% of the total qualification. Learners will be assessed in 3 different activities in the role of performer in at least 1 individual sport, 1 team sport and 1 other. One activity will be a major activity which will have a personal fitness program linked to the activity. The theory content covered in Unit 1 is as follows: health, training and exercise physiology, movement analysis, psychology of sport and physical activity, social, cultural issues in sport, and physical activity. There's a list of activities that the candidate can be assessed in. In the column on the left side are activities that identify as team activities. For example, association football and baseball. In the middle column, we have activities that can either be identified as team or individual activities. For example, badminton and dance. And on the right column, we have activities that identify as individual activities. For example, boxing and cycling. Unfortunately, WJC does not allow us to add to this list of activities. Here is a brief overview of how the course is run during the 2 years. In Year 10, the theory content is as follows: health, fitness and well-being, nutrition and components of fitness, energy systems, and the cardiorespiratory system. The practical activities that the candidates will participate in are cross-country in September, circuit training in January. This is linked to the candidate's coursework, and rounders in April. In Year 11, the theory content is training methods, training principles, participation in sport, technology and movement, and skill acquisition. The practical activities are life saving, which will be assessed in September at the local swimming pool. Once this assessment is completed, each individual will prepare for the external moderation, which will be in February. Each candidate will be expected to represent the school in numerous activities during the course.
Pwnc TGAU yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy ydy addysg gorfforol. Dwi wrth fy modd yn perfformio ac yn mwynhau llawer o wahanol fathau chwaraeon. Mae'r cwrs yn cael ei asesu gan 50% o waith ymarfer neu prac a 50% o waith theori ysgrifenedig a gwaith arholiad. Yn y gwaith ymarferol mae rhaid cael asesiad mewn 3 math o chwaraeon, sef 1 gêm tîm, 1 gweithgaredd unigol a 1 dewis arall. Mae hefyd angen cwblhau proffil ffitrwydd fel logbook sy'n waith cwrs. Yn y gwaith theori rydym yn astudio llawer o wahanol bethau fel dysgu am iechyd, ffitrwydd a lles. Hefyd ffisioleg y corff, sef y gwaith gwyddonol. Mae'r rhan yma'r cwrs yn anodd ac yn heriol a mae angen dealltwriaeth gwyddonol da. Gwaith arall rydym yn astudio yw seicoleg chwaraeon sy'n ddiddorol iawn. Ac yn olaf, da ni'n astudio materion cymdeithasol, sef beth sy'n effeithio ar gyfranogiad a perfformiad. Fel ddudes i ar cychwyn, hwn yw fy hoff bwnc oherwydd bod gwaith ymarferol neu prac yn rhan ohono, ond cofiwch hefyd bod llawer o waith ysgrifenedig theori hefyd.
And I'm in Year 11 and I took the GCSE PE course. As part of the GCSE PE course, you'll be participating in numerous physical activities such as running, athletics and rounders. You'll also take part in a personal fitness programme which lasts about 8 weeks. This you'll collect data from and then use for your coursework. So throughout the course you'll be covering social and science aspects of sports. You'll also learn new skills. Many people find that the hardest part or most challenging part of the PE course is the theory. However, even though it is a very challenging part of the course, it is definitely the most interesting. If you enjoy science, and especially biology, then this is definitely a course that you'll like. This section of the GCSE PE course combines things you've learned from the practical and theory side of the course. You'll be able to assess your performance and your improvement and gain a deeper understanding of PE. Overall, I think this is a super interesting course. If you're considering careers as a physiotherapist, a sports coachman, or as a professional sportsman, or even wanted to study medicine in university, then this is definitely a course you should consider.